These giant crayons are just like a rainbow. Let's take a closer look. Let's start with this one. It's red. Wait, did you hear that? I think there's something inside. Let's open it up. This is so exciting! Whoa, it's red toys! Look, everyone! It's Marshall the fire dog. Can you see his red hat?
Yes!
And here is his red fire extinguisher. What happens if I press this? Ah! Here comes the red fire truck. Whoa, this is awesome. Let's put Marshall in it. He's ready to save the day. Can't forget about the fire extinguisher. Vroom! The next crayon is orange.
Wow!
I wonder what's inside. Shall we find out, friends? I hope it's something good. Wow, it's a skateboard. Check out this drawing. There's more toys. Let's open the egg. We got an orange basketball. It can bounce so high. Oh, it's Bingo!
Hey!
She has orange fur. Do you think Bingo wants to try skateboarding?
Yes!
It'll be so much fun. Bingo wants to play basketball too. Here you go. Whoa, did you see that?
Yes!
Be careful, Bingo. What crayon should we try next? This is yellow. Can you think of anything that's yellow? A banana, yes. We've got some yellow toys, friends. This is yellow squishy Play-Doh. Look, there's a second ball. What else is there? It's Pikachu. Oh, wow, a magic wand. Should we try it? Good idea. We'll wave it around and say the magic word. Abracadabra. It's a giant cookie cutter. I have an idea. We need to make the Play-Doh really flat. Just like a pancake. This is perfect. Now I need the cookie cutter. I'll push it into the Play-Doh. Then I can remove the extra Play-Doh. Let's use the magic wand again. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at all the colors. Do you know what this is? Shout it out nice and loud. Yes, it's a star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Let's try this crayon. It's green. Let's think of something green. The grass and trees, well done. I know who this is. It's Rocky. Rocky wears green clothes. There's also a green bee.
Wow!
This bee is looking for yummy honey. And here come his bee friends. This looks fun. We can make an animal with the green Play-Doh. Let's squash it first. I'll need my rolling pin. This will flatten it. Now we can use this cutter. I'll need to push it into the Play-Doh. I wonder what animal it will be. Let's find out. I'll get rid of all this Play-Doh. Then I can take off the cutter. I need to be gentle. Let's give it a happy smile. Do you know what it's called? Great job! It's a turtle!
Yay!
Look at its hard shell. There's more crayons to play with. Let's go for this one. It's blue. This is my favorite color. Let's open the blue crayon. There's so many toys. It's Chase the police dog. Woof, woof. Now we have a blue egg. Wow, it's lots of small circles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue circles. Well done, everyone. These are called blueberries. They're a tasty snack. They're super juicy and tasty.
Wow.
I really like blueberries. Yummy. Look, it's a police car. Can you see the flashing lights? Chase has to go. He needs to drive the police car. Officer Chase reporting for duty. We've opened these crayons. This is the next one. It's pink. It's a very pretty color. Let's take a look inside. Wow, look at this, friends. It's another Play-Doh cutter. It's Peppa Pig, everyone. Let's oink like a pig. That was funny. This is called a camera. Let's take a photograph. Smile. I've got a piece of pink Play-Doh. I'll push the Play-Doh into it. This feels so soft. We need to fill the cutter. Phew, this is hard work. But it'll be worth it. Let's take a look. This animal swims in the sea. It's a lobster. Can you see its large claws? Aw, Peppa wants to be friends. We'll choose this crayon next. This is the color purple. Can you say purple? Wow, that was great! I wonder what toys are inside. It's a purple egg! And there's something inside. Wow, this is called a diving mask. It helps you see underwater. Splish! Splash! Now, we have purple Play-Doh. Wait a second. The waves washed something up. It's a seahorse. Now we can make a Play-Doh seahorse. Where's my rolling pin? Ah, got it. We can use the seahorse cutter now. Let's push it into the Play-Doh. Wow, it's amazing. We made a purple seahorse. I can see another creature that lives in the sea. An octopus.
Yay!
It has 8 long legs. It's so cute. We've played with so many crayons. There's only one left. It's a brown crayon. It's like a brown stick. Let's see what's in there. Wow! Look! It's a little puppy. It's so small. We should think of a name. How about Rover? This brown fruit is called a kiwi. They're so tasty. Let's cut it in half. I'll be really careful. We did it!
Wow.
Look, the inside is green. It's so bright. This is a monkey. It's got a long wriggly tail. We opened all the crayons and met so many new friends. I had so much fun, especially learning about the colors. Bye-bye!